noticing and wondering about what's going on in nature is one of these, a hand lens or a magnifying glass. To use one, the first thing you need to do is figure out which eye, your right or left eye, is your dominant eye. So what you do is you take your arms, bring them out in front of you like this, and form sort of a knot hole in the webby part between your fingers and your thumbs. And keeping both eyes open, you sight right through that knot hole at some object. And then slowly, while you keep the object centered in that knot hole, you bring your hands closer and closer and closer until your hands actually touch your face. And then you notice which eye is looking through the knot hole. And in my case, it's my right eye. That's my dominant eye. Once you've figured out which eye is your dominant eye, then you take the hand lens and you bring it right up to your face so that the frame of the lens is right up against the bridge of your nose. Then you take the object that you want to get a close look at and you bring it in closer and closer and closer until it snaps into focus. And then you can start scanning over the surfaces of the object. And as you do that, start jotting down things that you notice. Write down about 3 things that you notice because you're looking at it through the hand lens. And then shift to what you wonder. Write down any questions that you have about the object as you scan over the surfaces using the magnifying lens. Now, this kind of magnifying lens has a big lens that magnifies about 3 times and a small lens that magnifies about 6 times. So now I'm going to use the 6 power lens, and again I'm going to bring it right up, right in front of my eye so that the lens frame is right up against the bridge of my nose. And now I'm going to bring the object in closer and closer until it pops into focus. I got to get really close to my face, and now I'm scanning over the surfaces and I'm noticing even more. And I'm also discovering that there's more to wonder about. Until next time, keep noticing and wondering.